Found you. A 1,000 years in the deep freeze.
Don't stop now.
Gotcha. Now, let's get you home. Severe oxidation. The core might be brittle. You look terrible, but we'll fix that. Damn it, a structural crack. One wrong move and it snaps. This shouldn't exist. It's the King's mark. Time for a deep cleanse. Chemistry never lies. Look at that. The rust is literally being pushed off the steel. The hard part is over. Now, let's see the true face of this blade. Stabilized, she's strong again. Perfect foundation. Now we bring back the edge. The edge is back, sharp enough to cut through time. From the darkness of the ice to a mirror of the soul. Almost there. Just a bit more. Perfect. The reflections are stunning. The mirror of the north. Perfect. Ready for the gold. Gold for the gods. The legend wakes up.
Finished. A weapon fit for a king, reborn from the ice.
The past is never truly gone. It just waits for someone to find it.
Still hungry for blood.
Unbelievable. Still perfect. Not a single mark. Incredible craftsmanship.
From mud to gold, the rebirth is complete.